Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess, and in today's tutorial we are going to be learning how to create a picot stitch. This is a great stitch to know if you're wanting to create a really nice border for a blanket or a dishcloth or whatever it is you're working on. I also use it in my Sally the Seahorse crochet pattern for the spines on the back. It's really easy to do, so let's get into it. So for today's tutorial, I've just created a swatch and I'm just using Caron Simply Soft yarn. It doesn't matter what yarn you're using. And I'm just using my 3.75 crochet hook. Now this is what the picot stitch looks like. So they're just basically little bumps along the edge. So if this was the edge of a blanket, this would be your border. I think it adds a really nice flair to your border and they're so easy to make. So let's learn. So I just did a couple picots here, and then I just have 3 single crochets in between each of my picots. So now that we are at the spot for our next picot, I'm going to show you now how we do it. Now you may see different videos showing different ways to do this, and that's totally fine. This is the way that I personally find is best, and I like the look of this way, but you do whatever works best for you. So to start the picot stitch, what we're going to do is we're going to chain 3. So we're going to yarn over and pull through, that's 1. Yarn over, pull through, that's 2. Yarn over and pull through, and that's 3. Now what we're going to do is we need to look for this front bar right here in front of our stitches, this bar right here. And we also want this bar right beside it. So these 2 bars, this bar and this bar. And we're going to insert our hook underneath the first bar and the second bar, just like that. Yarn over and pull through and create a single crochet by yarning over and pulling through. Now some people like to do slip stitches. They're just going to give you a bit of a different look. I personally like to do single crochet because I find it makes it a little bit fuller than the slip stitch does. So once we've made our single crochet, we're now going to go into this very next stitch and place our single crochet again. And we'll place 2 more before the next picot. So there's a picot that we just made. Now we'll do that again. So to start, we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. We're going to look for this front bar right here and this side bar right here. And we're going to insert our hook underneath both of those. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. And to finish off, into the next stitch, we'll place a single crochet. Place 2 more single crochets, and I'll show you one more time. So on the stitch that you're on, we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Insert into the front bar and the side bar here. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. And to finish with a single crochet. And I'll just place my 3. And there are your picot stitches. It just makes such a pretty border that adds a little bit of texture, and I think it's so much fun, a really easy stitch to learn. I hope this tutorial was really helpful for you guys. Let us know if you have any comments or questions down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!